the 2012 Toyota Tundra with an automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Toyota features air conditioning, power door locks, and a sunroof. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, leather seats, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Rogers Ford Lincoln, a Carfax Advantage dealer.